Hello, welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. I'm here to share with you this EGA question. The question one on the board is one of the dash who dash in exams dash caught. You agree with me that this question is from Concord in English. And what do we mean by Concord? Concord has to do with the agreement that exists between the subject and the verb, the harmonious relationship that exists between the subject and the verb. And now, this type of concord is called one of concord. And the rule states that when one of is used as a subject of an expression, the next nominal element or noun will be plural. One of the out of many, one out of many. That means one out of plural. Then, if it is followed, if that noun, which is plural, is followed by a relative pronoun, the next verb, we agree with this plural noun, which is also plural. Then the last verb, if any, we agree with the one which will be singular. So let's go to the options. The option one is student. That means student is singular. It will not occupy this position of one out of many. That means one out of plural. So any of the option that takes singular here will be incorrect. So let's ellipsize or let's do away with any of the options that purpose singularity. So this one is out, this is out. It remains this and this. Okay, now the second part, we are talking about plural again because of the presence of a relative indicator. Okay, now we say a verb that takes an S is a singular verb, while a verb without S is a plural verb. So this is a plural verb, this is a singular verb. So we do away with this. That means we are left with option B. But the rule states that when one of is used as a subject of an expression, the next verb will be singularized. That means this verb is agreeing with this plural now, why this verb is agreeing with one. Is that understood? That means that what we need left is a singular verb. Now, option B has a plural verb here. That means option B is not correct. Option B would have been correct if we have has here. So the correct answer to this question is not there. So you leave such question blank. Is that understood? If you are in an examination hall and you discover there is no answer, what you are expected to do as a correct student that you are is to leave such question blank. Otherwise, you will be marked negatively. That is good. Let's go to question 2. Question 2, we have one of the dash. We have two blanks very close here. So one of the dash being arrested by the police. In other words, we have plural here, and of course singular, because the singular the singular noun is one out of them. Then we have a singular verb which will agree with the one. So let's go. One of the, that means boys, because boys recapitulated in all the options, so we need a plural boys. So if any of the options that do not take plural boys will be ellipsized or be taken out of the option. So this one is out. This one is also out. But now let's look at it closely again. If this is correct, this one is plural. That means option B is totally out of it because we need a singular verb to agree with the one. So the correct option is option C, because we have one of the boys has been arrested. One of the boys has been arrested by the police. So C is correct. Please, on a quicker note, I want to remind you that this tutorial is proudly sponsored by Akai Tutors, located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road in the heart of Ile-Ife. Should you are interested or you are preparing for UTME, WAEC, and NECO GC, or pre-degree or School of Nursing exams, or you are seeking admission into the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University, you can deem it fit to contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Enjoy your day.